the country starts to reopen, people get back to work, and patrons start shopping and dining at physical locations, new measures must be taken to ensure the health and safety of employees and customers. Here at Larson Electronics, we're taking the guesswork out of how your facility can do just that. We carry a line of durable protective shields and barriers to protect employees and customers from airborne pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, and germs. Our durable and attractive social distancing barriers help block sneezes, coughs, and particulates that occur while entering the personal space of a worker or patron. The social distancing barriers we carry include the following: table dividers, office barriers, vertical barriers, cashier panel, manicure table shield, desktop shields, screw-in dividers, hanging barriers, and urinal dividers. The best part is that these barriers easily snap together so no complicated hardware is required. Easy installation can save you time and money while creating a safer work environment quickly. Give your workers and patrons the peace of mind and confidence they need to come back to work or visit your facility with a social distancing barrier today. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.